Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and add a text box to your designs and canvases on Affinity Designer 2026. Text boxes are useful for adding titles, headings, labels, descriptions, quotes, and other written information to your design. So, let's get started. So guys, for the sake of this tutorial, let me launch Affinity Designer on my desktop computer. Then, here in your new document, what you want to do is navigate to the panel to the left. And after that, click into, this tool here, Artistic Tool, with your right mouse and select the text tool you would like to use, like a frame text tool or artistic text tool. Up to you. You can also customize it. The artistic text tool is generally useful for short text, such as titles, logos, or decorative words, while the frame text tool is more suitable for longer paragraphs that need to stay inside a defined area. I will go with an artistic text tool. And then, position your text box here on your canvas with your left mouse. Hold your left mouse and adjust the size. And as you can see, there's that example letter A, so that you can see the size of the text box. This preview helps you estimate how large the text will appear before you begin typing. Release your left mouse, and that's your text box. Now, you can make it larger, of course, and start typing in your text. So let me add in text, or type in text, and then you may resize it, position it, rotate it, double-click into it to change the text. ABC, for example. And that's it. You can use these controls to align the text with the other elements in your design, or rotate it for a more creative layout. When resizing, check that the text remains clear and does not overlap nearby objects. There's also the other text box tool, frame text tool. You can use that as well. Both of them have the shortcut T, so if you'd like to, switch between this, you will need to right-click into that text box tool here and select the one you'd like to go with. Remember that the same shortcut opens the text tool group, so right-clicking is the easiest way to choose the specific tool you need. And then, again, position your frame here, and that is going to add a frame like this. And now you can type in your text. And that's it. A frame can be especially useful for body text because the words remain contained within the selected area. You can adjust the frame dimensions later when you need more or less space. Now, if you'd like to resize that text here, you would need to highlight it, and then go through the, font size here, for example. And, yeah, change a different font size. You can also use this area to review other text settings, such as the font style, alignment, and formatting, depending on the look you want. For better readability, make sure the text size fits the canvas and remains easy to read at the final export size. So, that's the two ways how you can insert the text box on Affinity in 2026. The artistic text tool works well for short and visually prominent text, while the frame text tool gives you better control over paragraphs and longer content. Guys, thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.